everybody! Welcome to Daily Inspirations. I am Michelle Dawn over here in the corner. That is my son Trent, and today we are doing a VillabeauTIFFul unboxing. So here we go. Okay, wait, I want to explain why we're doing it this way. I am in Michigan and I live in El Paso, Texas, so I had to drive my van up here.
So my so that they can send me the new Pokemon game.
So my dad could work on my van, and I am leaving in a few days, but I could not wait to do this VillabeauTIFFul unboxing. So here we go.
Alright, so first we got one thing in here.
Yep. Okay, now put that envelope thing like on the ground or something so we can't see the address. Okay.
Oh, 1 second.
Okay, here we go. I'm so excited for this kit. It's called Efforescence.
Alright. I just now figured out how to open this thing.
Okay. We want to see, after the card, we want to see the pen first.
We want to see the pen first?
Yes. Show us the card, though, because you took that out already.
Okay, this is Get Your Dreams. Good?
Let.
Okay, let your dreams
blossom.
Blossom. I'm not very good at literature.
Literature? You mean cursive?
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to put that one in my van. Hang it up on the wall.
Alright. This is the pen. So we take it out. It's absolutely beautiful color here.
Show me the pen! I didn't watch Tiffany's unboxing, or not unboxing, kit reveal video. I wanted to be surprised. Be careful with that thing! Boy, you better be careful with my VB pens. Ooh, it's so pretty! Okay, describe it for me.
We have green, whitish pink, black, and red in the middle here.
Beautiful.
And then we
see if you can put your hand behind it, if it focuses better. Maybe back up a little bit. Ooh. Okay, you have to tell us the color of the paint. Not the color of the ink, the color of the paint on the cap and the bottom. What does it look like?
Purple red.
Okay. And then you have to tell us what color the metal is, the hardware.
Rose gold.
Oh, and also you have to tell us if the paint is matte or shiny or glossy. Looks glossy. Is it glossy?
I think so.
And then, is it shimmery or just the color?
1 second. It's just the color.
Alrighty. Yay! It's so pretty. I can't wait to see it in person.
This is my favorite, though. This is the really good matte black here with the red tip.
Alright, put that pen like farther away from the edge. If it falls on the tile, it will chip and stuff, and I will be sad.
And we got...
Oh, the sticker book is last. We show that last.
Okay, then why is it on the top then, Mom?
Maybe you have it upside down, Strand.
I do, yeah. Alright,
I want to see what that thing is. Yes. What is this?
This looks like a glasses cleaner with a pretty purpley, lightish purpley color.
A glasses case, you mean?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh,
case
that's
here.
pretty.
Orange interior here. With
Lovely.
the rose gold buttons.
That's so pretty. Is it like a light purplish color?
Yeah, it's like a light purplish. Kitty wants to check it out. Kitty!
Kitty wants that box for the pen.
You want the box for the pen? Here, I'll take it out for you.
Don't go far away from yourself though. Like hold it so she can come and get it in the camera. All right, what's next?
All right. Here, let's.
So that's probably good for pens and stuff too.
Well, let's see.
Yes, pen fits
Perfectly. You see the inside; it matches the purpley color.
Nice, lovely.
And then let's get some ASMR in here with the.
Nice.
You heard it right.
I did. Yes, I did. But there's a very ugly cord in my view here.
Oh, sorry. That's Dad's laptop cord.
Okay, what do we got next?
Let's go off this.
Oh, there she is. See, she wanted the box. Ah, hi, Nova. She loves those boxes so much. Okay, what's in that little package you got in your left hand?
Alright, so we got. Here, I'm gonna keep it on the back. It's a magnet button.
Nice.
So, here, we have this.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Now I'm gonna take it off the back. I'm gonna keep the magnet on it so I don't lose it.
Good idea.
And
oh, back up just a little bit. Ooh, that's really pretty. Enamel flower of some kind.
It's just called the enamel magnet charm.
It's cute. Oh, I love you, son.
I love you too. Alright,
Washi! Sorry.
The washi here.
I get too excited. Okay, you gotta open it and show us what it looks like.
Oh, I didn't open it in the other one.
That's okay. That was a mystery box. It's not a big deal.
I don't want to cut the washi, but I also want to get it open.
There might be a little perforation thing that you can.
I'm trying to get.
Oh.
Yes, got it.
She likes those too. Kitty likes those too. Unroll it.
Unroll it.
Not all. Yeah, obviously not all the way. Just like.
I'll do it all the way. Don't worry.
And then put like a section of it on the back of that card so we can see what it looks like. Ooh.
Actually, you know what? That'll actually.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Is that I assume it's rose gold because the pen was rose gold.
Yeah, it's rose gold with the leaves here.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. All right, hold it really still. Back up just a little bit. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Ooh, I love it.
I know, it's so pretty.
Okay. No, it's not.
No.
It's not washi. It's PET tape. So you have to.
I tried to rip it like washi tape.
Yeah.
Cardboard.
Yep, you gotta cut it because that's clear tape, not washi. That's so pretty.
It didn't ruin it. I'm just gonna. It ruined this though.
That's funny. All right, let's see. What is there another washi?
Maybe.
Yay! There's usually two, a big one and a little one.
Oh, well, this one's extremely small. Do you see it? Yes, almost. Yes. Yes. Oh. Alright, I think I got it. Here, alright, let's go.
Is she still playing with the pen in the background?
Yeah.
I thought I heard it bouncing off the walls and stuff.
Yep, you definitely hear it. Oh.
Oh, this is so beautiful. I cannot wait to see it. Okay, gotta unwrap it. Unwrap it. Unwrap it.
So impatient, Mom.
I know. I just get so excited when my kids come.
Right here. Alright, now let's try it on the back here. Let's try and repair it. Alright. I'm gonna cut it and not rip it this time.
Okay. It's clear tape again?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. All right, back up a little. It's focusing on your face still. I don't know, back up a little more. I can see the foil, but the flowers are not coming through very well. Back up a little more. Oh, there we go. I can see the flowers now. That's really pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use it.
I really like the shimmer of it.
Yeah, right? Is the part that's not flowers, is it clear or white?
I don't know. It's on the white backdrop here.
Right.
It looks to be like pale-ish, clear.
So kind of see-through.
Like, yes, kind of see-through. So that there, we have the first one there.
Mm-hmm.
We turn it around. We got the second one.
Nice.
Just as a review to both the tapes here.
Thank you very much.
Put that with the rest.
Bless you.
Thank you. Alright, should I open this?
Yes. Please, 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 please. I want to see what's in there. What's it called? What's the top of the card say?
Bits and pieces.
Bits and pieces are my favorite. Okay.
Alright, here, let's go through all of them here. Oh no, one of them fell. Okay, I got it. Alright. Let's go through all of these like in a card style manner.
Pretty. You don't have to get that close. I can see them better back up. That's beautiful. This reminds me of my very, very, very favorite. Ooh, pretty. Oh, hi, kitty.
Alright.
She's like, she's saying, "Where's that washi, Trent? I heard you opening washi." Very nice. Okay.
She's getting the washi stuff.
I knew it.
Alright, and then we have sort of a repeat of the last one that we took a look at.
Different shape.
Different. She's trying to eat it. Like, she's not smacking it around. Oh, and she's taking it. Oh, she's leaving.
Ooh, beautiful.
And then we have the purplish, lavenderish. Really
Ooh, that's
nice.
really pretty.
Ooh, this one. I keep throwing this one. I don't know why.
Ooh.
Here, I'm the stem here.
Oh, that one is really pretty.
And then we have the vase, as fancy people call it.
Nice.
And then we have... I gotta figure out if they're upside down or not, so...
Ah. Very pretty.
Very nice. Ooh, this one's a really good shade of like reddish. Okay, which is upside down and which is not? I guess you guys will figure it out.
Yes. That one's pretty.
Oh yeah.
That is a nice shade of red.
This one looks really pretty.
Oh, delicate little purple flowers.
I remember when you were a delicate flower, and now you're roughing it, toughing it in the out in the wild.
Oh, that one almost looks like the pin or magnet.
It is. Here, let's show them both. All right. So first we got the magnet pin.
Yeah. Just like facing the other way. How pretty.
Yeah. Here, I'll put it on my phone. I'm just kidding. That'll kill it.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Alright. Next, we got another one in the vase here.
Lovely. Oh, I love these colors so much.
Not sure.
Ooh, that looks like echinacea.
Echinacea?
Echinacea.
Echinacea?
Yes. We grew those at Montessori.
Alright, so this is the last flower here, and then we get into the plain bits.
Beautiful. I really love these colors.
We're gonna go with a Spitfire around here.
All right.
We have this really nice pink shade. We got that really nice pink shade, and then we have this grayish, bluish shade here.
Okay.
Really nice.
That's like the...
It's a lighter shade of black, but it's not gray, you know.
Like charcoal.
Like charcoal, yeah. And then we have this watercolor style.
That one's pretty.
Purpley pink. Then we also have this grayish, a tiny bit of green in there. I'm not sure if you can see that. Then we just got this white piece right here.
Okay. Ooh.
And then we got another watercolor style thingy.
Okay.
Really nice purpley bluish tint to it.
Ooh, I like that shape.
This shape?
Yeah. It's just so random.
That's why it's called Bits and Pieces.
Very cool.
It's so random.
Nice.
Meh.
Hexagons.
Color of brown. I don't really like brown that much.
Okay. What else we got in that package there, kiddo?
Alright, we got one last thing, and then we take a look at the sticker book.
Ooh, I saw that on a sneak peek. The notepad. Uh-oh, you're frozen. Okay, you're back. That is really pretty.
Okay, I'm gonna take it off the back here, and then we are going to...
I think it's upside down. Hi, kitty! It's upside down, Bubba.
Kitty, you want another one of these?
The notepad's upside down. Yay! There we go. Ooh, and I can see that really well now, too. That foil is so beautiful. Yay! And I'm assuming those fit in the bottom section of the planner exactly perfectly.
Hopefully. That would look really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And lastly, we got the box here that it came in. Very nice clear color here. We got the
VB.
We got the squigglies.
It's the VB.
It's the VB.
The VB for VillabeauTIFFul.
It looks like an R.
It's Fancy.
E is an R. RG.
Oh, I see. I see what you're saying. But no.
Like the R, the L, and then the G. That was the last of it. Thank you guys for watching.
No! I have to see the stickers.
No stickers for you.
Yes, stickers for me.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh, those are nice. Are those on clear or on like paper?
Paper. All of these are on paper.
Okay. Our functional boxies.
Okay, 1 second. I gotta. Alright. You see it? You looked at it?
You betcha. Ooh.
You fired it.
Ooh, I like those boxes a lot. Those are really pretty.
I'm not very good at camera angles or anything, so I don't know what I'm doing.
Memo, today was a good day. Those are really pretty boxes. Oh my goodness. Okay, are these still on paper?
1 second.
Usually the little shapes are on clear.
Alright, yeah, these are all on paper.
On paper?
Yep, on paper.
Are you sure? Those little shapes are on paper? And the numbers, they're not on clear? No. Pick one up.
Oh, no, they're clear.
Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. The little shapes are usually always clear. Okay. And that's clear. Rose gold. That font is really pretty on those numbers.
Here, let's shimmer this for a while.
Ooh, 2 different fonts. I love how she does 2 different fonts. Very pretty. It almost looks like pink sometimes. Oh, and our scripts. Beautiful.
Let's just sit here for a while and admire the last piece.
That is beautiful. And I can see that one's on clear as well.
You're wrong. It's not. I'm just kidding.
All right, sticker book.
That was the sticker book.
No, that was the sticker sheets. There's a sticker book. And you're hiding it from me.
I think, I'm not sure, but I'm not sure what this is, but I think that's it, guys.
You're such a brat. Show us the sticker book.
Kitty, what are you doing? She's trying to open your MeUndies package.
Oh, boy.
Not sponsored, but hopefully she's sponsored. Come on, give us money, sponsorship people. Alright, so I'm not showing you the back because that's all just the stickers.
All right, open the. Well, first of all, we like to look at the front, and that says Efforescence October 2022. Okay, now open the little flap so we can see the stickers really well.
I don't want to break it.
That's okay. You're good. You're all good. Even if the sheets fall out, I really don't care as long as I have them. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Spoil it for you and just go to the back and you can just take a look at all.
I just love those colors. No, thank you. Please do the flip through.
Cat, stop eating our mail. Cat, please stop eating our mail.
Yay.
Alright, so you took a look at the...
Yep. We got a nice good look at that one.
I don't know if this is just really thick paper or it's just double. I think it might be...
Yeah, it's pretty thick.
No, you were wrong.
High quality. Beautiful. Ooh, I like the top row. That's a little different than usual, and it's beautiful.
Alright, here, I'll let the viewers take a look at it real quick. Before we move on to the next one, they can pause the video right there if they wanted to take a look at it.
Oh my gosh. I just love these colors and the style and everything. Everything's just gorgeous.
I really like the shapes. They got some interesting shapes in here, like the hexagon-looking thing right here.
Yeah, that's really cool. That's one of my favorite pages. Oh, it's so pretty.
You can use some of these for your like quotes or
Oh, yes.
putting more stickers in there.
Indeed.
And then you can use the little hexagons as like a little decoration to all of your little things.
Right?
I like this page. That page is cool. You also need to pay your bills, by the way, guys. I don't know if you knew this, but you guys need to pay your bills.
What? How about if I put that sticker in your planner and you pay the bills?
No. Paying any of my bills.
Our pretty boxes.
Pretty boxes. They got some abstract stuff right over. Which side is it?
Yep, there you go.
Around here.
Very nice.
Some pretty nice designs on the boxes, like the abstract ones that I just pointed out. And then we have tabs. We got tabs here.
Headers. They're called headers.
Headers, yeah.
Lovely.
I like the green color. It's like camo green.
Yeah, I was just going to ask if that was black or green. Thank you for clarifying. That is a really cool green. Deep.
But above it, it's like a really dark purple, so it's just like an optical illusion.
Right. Wow, those are gorgeous colors.
Alright, now let's let the viewer take a look at it real quick.
They've been looking at it the whole time, you goof.
Alright, we have the days of the week.
Yes! 4 whole sets of days of the week. Ooh, that is the top top left one black or that green color? Or blue?
It's like blackish blue. It's like midnight blue.
So pretty. Okay.
Alright, next page. We're getting to the end of the book because the entire other book just flipped over with it.
Ooh, these are the VB Weeks. The smaller stickers fit in the VB Weeks. So pretty. I love those little squares at the top. I love it so much. This is one of my favorite kits ever.
Alright. Ooh, we got some nice decorations for your planners on this one.
Beautiful. And those are on clear, right?
It's hard to say, but I think they are.
They usually are.
Yeah, I think they are. Let's take a look at it again here.
There's so many really, really pretty ones. I mean,
know.
they're all so pretty, and there's just so many of them.
I really like the palm tree right here.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Kitty's attacking Max, and Max is running away. She's such a little rascal. Ooh, and then we got the, I'm assuming these fit perfectly in the corners.
Yep.
Nice rip effect here.
This is like, bullet journal, junk journal style stickers. So pretty. Look at those stamps. Beautiful. So beautiful.
Over here we got some more ripped things like this that you can put on the bottom and the top and stuff.
All right, tell us the colors of the dark ones.
Well, the darker ones are like another midnight blue and then sort of like a brownish black.
Okay. Very cool. Is that the last page?
Is it?
We got one more page.
Yep, only one more page.
Okay. Ooh.
I'm inhaling. I don't know why.
Are you okay?
I don't know.
Those are so pretty.
Or am I?
That one underneath the colorful pumpkins, is that all one sticker, or are they like, are the circles separate?
Under the circles are separate.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Very cool. Oh, thank you so much, son, for doing this for me.
It's a bit bent. It's a bit bent now that I have it opened.
That's all right. Once I start using it, it's going to be torn to shreds. Show me the pen one more time, please. And the little pen pouch.
Like I said, we have beautiful matte black ink color here.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Okay, 1 second. I don't think I'm holding it right. Can you read the words?
Yes. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to see all of this in person.
Too bad I'm stealing it.
Show me the little pouch thing one more time too, please.
Okay. 1 second.
That's really nice.
We got the orangey interior here with the purpley
exterior.
Yep.
ASMR.
And then we can do
beautiful. It's very pretty.
Alright. Ooh, yeah, I forgot about this one too.
You're such a dork. I love you so much.
I love you too.
All right, kiddo. Thank you so much. I'll call you back later. Thank you so much.
Alright, see you guys